qualifier for the Super Late Models here today as part of Icebreaker. Various members of the paparazzi will get everything taken care of. And we'll momentarily speak to a quick qualifier for our second of three divisions here today for the Icebreaker. Heck, let's talk to him right now. Quick lap 14.076 for the driver down at Janesville. How about a nice hand for Jacob Nottestad? Congratulations. I never knew you were a pickup man. Congratulations.
Thanks, Eric. I got to thank the Helgestad Racing crew for giving me this opportunity. All my sponsors are coming back. My crew's here. Got a whole heck of a crowd here. My fans. This is super cool. It's only a couple truck starts. We're planning on running the whole year this year.
You're running the whole year, and boy, there's a lot of guys planning on running the whole year. They're all here. This is going to be quite the competition to come through today and throughout the year.
Yeah, it should be a lot of fun. A lot of trucks here for sure, and I'm just happy to be here. It's exciting. Good to see the turnout for the trucks, and I'm ready to get this thing going.
All right, so you are the 608 Graphics Quick Qualifier. That means, among other things, you get to roll the dice. 6 plus whatever Jacob rolls on the dice. It's a 6. I hope you like passing trucks, man.
Yeah, we'll put on a show here tonight for sure.
There you go. Jacob Nottestad, your quick qualifier for the Midwest Trucks 608 Graphics.
Easy. Start picking up. Pick it up. Pick it up. Pick it up. We're green. Green, green, green. All clear. Check up. Go, go, go. Keep going, keep going. Still green. Outside. Outside. Still there. Still outside. You're clear. All clear. Clear by 2. Still down there. Your door. Your tire. Still down there. Clear. Clear. Clear by 1. Still up there, still outside. Hang your bumper outside. You're clear. Right with you. Still clear. Looking inside. Inside at your bumper. Inside. You're clear. Looking inside, it's still clear.
Come on, get out of the way.
All clear, buddy. Still all clear. Right with you here, still clear. Still clear, he's looking, protect the bottom, clear.
What?
Row 6 to the outside, he rolled the 6, he'll invert the field of 12, so he will start at 12. Your quick qualifier today in that black 97 from Janesville, Wisconsin. The Kearns Motor Car Company, Hogan Farms, Ridgetop Exteriors 97, it's Jacob Nottestad!
I got the receiver on me, Chomps. I'll let you know where these call.
That's a big 10-4. Give a wave and thank them all for coming out today. 1 to go at the line. Stay ready.
Let's speed that up.
Stay ready now. Ready now. Leaders are rolling. Rolling, rolling. Good start here, pal. Still here, 11.
God, he's sitting over here.
Outside slight edge on the top here. Moving. 31's going to be looking quarter here. Looking quarter. Here, inside, we got clear behind the 31 if we need it. Still down here. Nice job, bud. 28 should be rolling here on 84. Still here with the 11. Quarter, still here, still here. Still looking, looking. Still quarter now. Still here, still here, still here. 31 with a quarter now on you. Quarter here with the 3.
You get all that top line, but you can't.
Still here. It's going to be quarter again. There, your quarter. Now he's at your door. Still looking, still looking. Clear bottom, clear, clear. Still here now, still here. Still looking. Clear if we want it, clear if we want it. That's it, bud. They're by half on the 11. Still half on him. Somebody give me a lap count, I don't know. Get by this tree and we're single file. 34 to go. That's it, buddy. Wheeler hard here. 3 1/4. You're at the door. Toss them up over your neck. And clear, all clear. Now we ride. Looking. And clear. Clear by 1 now. 2 by 2 behind you. P7. No pressure on back, clear by 2. Coming to 27 to go, 27. Still here.
Pick a lane, bud.
Take a lead, fella.
Hey, pick a
Halfway.
damn lane.
Okay, we're at the 3 at the corner now. All clear. Still here. Get a run here, bud. 89's falling out of the seat. That's it. We got position. Nice job. Still here. Still here. Quarter we lose. Still here. Still here.
Jesus Christ.
All kinds of room behind you. They're all around.
Sorry. I won't go down there, Brad.
20 to go. 2-0. They're clear by 1 into 44. Still clear.
Hey, what the fuck?
Good, clear by 1 still. To go, 1-3. Shop and bowl full. pressure behind. One back now. Looking. All clear.
What's going on?
Gonna be looking here. Quarter. Contact. Alright, keep digging here. They're behind you. Swanee's parked up here on a 4. Yellow. Get it inside, outside. Pace cars down, stay ready. Ready, and now. Not yet, not now. 33 going to be looking here. Inside. Still here, 3 wide. Inside you. Still here, still looking. Going to be still looking here. Door to door, no pressure behind, clear by 3. We need it. That's it. Still here. Just shoot top 4, nothing out back. Still here. Get inside. And all clear. Nice work, 1 to go. Yeehaw! No pressure, clear by 1.5. Second drive, bud. Awesome.
For Jacob and Nottestad. First big rush trucks, boy, how'd that go for him?
Yeah, that was a lot of fun. It was tough going 2x2 that whole race. Everything happened, but just stay patient and let the cars fly. Get it up second, second sucks again. This is giving up sport. We're trying to do second. The win's coming, fast time from the back to get second. Can't thank these guys enough. Motor car company. Rich Dog, Lake Ripley Lanes, all the crew for coming on. Dad, Brett came all the way from bowling to come very late to race this time. Tyler for filling in. Jeff, Brownie, Sam, coming on to fix all my fans. Hell of a crew here tonight. I couldn't be more proud of this team to turn this truck around over the better team that she is.
Great job, man.
Thank you.
Jacob Nottestad, second place.